What's up, everyone? It's Jernard, and I'm here with Nayan, Christine, and Roberto to talk about the process of meiosis. Do you know what it is? No! Alright then. We will tell you about meiosis and what happens during this process. Meiosis is, to keep it short, is when the number of chromosomes per cell is cut in half through the separation of homologous chromosomes in the diploid cell. Let's start off with this first process. Its first process, which is prophase, each chromosome is being replicated as seen here. Then it begins to divide, just like in mitosis when it's in the process of metaphase. To remind, 4 chromosomes line up individually in the center of the cell in mitosis. With that, the chromatids which makes up each chromosomes separate from each other. During this process, each chromosome pairs with its corresponding homologous chromosome to form a tetrad, a structure with 4 chromatids inside of it. Without this information, we won't have a fully understanding to meiosis. Next on the mic is my good friend Nayan.
When the homologous chromosomes pair up and form tetrads, they each exchange positions of their chromatids in the process called crossing over. This results in the exchange of alleles between homologous chromosomes and produces new combinations of alleles. This also takes place during the process of metaphase and anaphase. After this, the homologous chromosome separates and 2 cells are formed, which make the process of telophase and cytokinesis. But since each of the pairs of the homologous chromosomes were separated, the daughter cells has the 2 complete sets of chromosomes that it would have in the diploid cell. In meiosis 1, after the cells are produced, they have sets of chromosomes and alleles that are different from each other and from the diploid cell that enters meiosis. Meiosis 1. Roberto is gonna continue about meiosis part 2.
After the first process, the 2 cells that were formed still have to undergo a second process, which is the meiotic division. During its second phase, it doesn't replicate their chromosomes as they enter the second phase as shown here. As you can see, each of the cell's chromosomes have 2 chromatids that line up in the center of each cell during its second metaphase.
As you can see here, after its metaphase, the second process of anaphase kicks in and starts the paired chromatids to separate. During this phase also, the 4 daughter cells will each get 2 chromatids which are produced in meiosis 2. With this process, the 4 daughter cells each have and contain the haploid number with just 2 chromosomes each, and that process happens in the second phase of telophase and cytokinesis.
At the end of everything, the cells begin to form gametes, which is the haploid cell that corresponds to the opposite sex in sexual reproduction, in the male's and female's body. The males will make 4 sperm cells as shown here, and in the females, you would only see 1 cell that is created and active aside from the other cells, which are the polar bodies as you can see. And that's really much to it. Thank you for listening and watching our video about meiosis. If you think we forgot some things or missed anything, let us know. Also, got any questions? Hit up our awesome science teacher, Mr. Nasi, for more information about meiosis. Palalaman. What's up, everyone? It's Jernard, and I'm here with Let's start off with the first. Oh my god! To keep it short, is when the number. Oh shit. The males will make 4 sperms. So, as you can see, the males will make 4 sperm cells. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? So, as you can see here, the males will make 4 sperm cells as shown here. Oh, it says shown here twice. Oops, my god. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, I forgot where I was, damn it. The males will make 4 sperm cells as shown here, And oh God, I can't do the long pause. Oh my.